Welcome everyone to our next online learning tutorial series of SAP. Here in this tutorial we will see how to download or view the GL master data in SAP tables. So enter transaction code SE16N in SAP command box, then press enter. There are mainly two tables for GL master data, SKA1 or SKB1. SKB1 at company code level and SKA1 at chart of account level. So first I am downloading the data from SKA1. Press enter. Enter your chart of account here. Then click on execute. To download the data, right click here, spreadsheet. From here you can download the data into the Excel format. Next one is SKB1. It's at company code level. Enter company code here. Now you can see the data over here. By this way you can view or download GL master data in SAP tables. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.